Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. There are furry children among us. They say hello. In today's video, we're going to be opening our Ipsy vs Ipsy Plus for March 2021. The regular Glam Bag, this is a $12 a month subscription. In here, we should have 5 sample-sized products catered to our beauty profile. And then the Glambag Plus, this is a $25 a month subscription. In here we should have 5 full-size products catered to our beauty profile. This Glambag Plus, this is my normal profile, so more neutral makeup, comfortable with makeup, correct age, hair color, eye color, all that stuff. So this is me. This regular Glambag, this is a different profile, so more adventurous makeup, different age, different eye color, just a totally different person other than me. And it's just fun to see if your profile matters and just what the difference is between a regular Glam Bag and the Glambag Plus. If you're new to my channel, I am a cruelty-free YouTuber, so if anytime while I'm filming, if I don't know something is cruelty-free, I will have that displayed right here on the screen for you, as well as the estimated sample size value if it is a sample. I forgot this bag doesn't tell me the full size value of the full size product, so I'll have that displayed as well. I'll do all the research for all that, just to see if we're getting a good deal or not. Okay, let me apologize. Firstly, I have a dog down there. You can see her, the little one. She's chewing on a bone, so you may be hearing some noises while we're filming. I have dogs. They follow me everywhere, and occasionally they chew on things. I got actually 2 dogs chewing on bones down there, and then Bronx is just chewing on a toy. Okay, let's just get started. We will start with the regular Glam Bag. This is the bag I prefer 9 times out of 10. I just think it's a better bang for your buck. I mean, technically the Glam Bag Pluses, but I just like getting sample-sized things just to see if I like them, and I feel like I'm able to use them all. So it's nice to be able to feel like you can get through some products when you have so much product. Okay, so the bag this month is like this. It's got 4 women on it. Really like the bag. It is it Women's History Month, I believe? So I think that's what that's about. Here's the card. So the theme is Stronger Together. Yep, and it's just about women, I believe. On the inside, it's going to have everything we're getting, as well as their full-size values. I will mention the full size, but like I said in the beginning of the video, I will figure out the estimated sample size value, see if it's, you know, a good deal. Okay, let's just go ahead and pull up the first thing I'm seeing. So this looks to be, it's just a black tube. It's a black tube. It's got a K on it. It says Carmela Cosmetics, which I've never heard of this brand, but it's a lipstick in the shade Bitten. It's wrapped in plastic on the outside, so let's open it up. Ooh, pretty. Okay, so the color is great. There it is. I really like that color. I will go ahead and give it a swatch just to see the shade. It is like a satin, or I call it a cream finish, but I guess the technical word is satin. There it is. I like that color. It's like a pinky nude sort of color. I definitely will wear that when we can, you know, wear lipstick again. Is that ever gonna happen again? I feel like I only wear lipstick when I film YouTube videos. Anyways, got that. I don't know if it's cruelty-free, so I'll have to do some research, but the full size value is $24. The full size is 4 grams, and this is 3.8 grams, so it is almost full size. So I don't know if I'd pay $24 for a lipstick. I'm not going to say that I have paid $24 for a lipstick, so I don't know. I'll have to let you know. Okay, moving right along, the next thing I'm pulling out is from Benefit, which is not cruelty-free. This is their Real Magnet. Okay, so there's the packaging. So it says on the side here, mascara with a magnetic force that draws lashes out to extreme lengths. I don't know how I feel about this. I don't know if this is something I would even use, but interesting. Okay, so not cruelty-free, so I'm not going to be using it, but the full size on that is $27. Typical, you know, high-end price for a mascara. Okay. Let's pull out the next thing. This looks to be like an eyeshadow duo or something, wrapped in plastic. So this is from Belle and Argent, which I feel like I've tried before. They are cruelty-free. It's just a 2-shade duo. Oh, the gold is really pretty. So one is gold and one is like a brown. I love that. I've been using like a ton of like really simple eyeshadow looks with just like 2 or 3 colors, sometimes even just 1. So I like that a lot. Let's go ahead and swatch. I've never tried this brand I don't think I've tried any makeup from them. It's possible I have, but I don't recall. So the brown is matte and the gold color is shimmer. Okay, so there they are. It is not super stunning, but I like them. Like for a simple eyeshadow look, I definitely like them. The brown is cool tone, which I don't mind cool tone browns, but there we go, got that. The full size of the eyeshadow is $30, and I don't know if that's like from a palette. It probably is. I don't think you'd pay, you know, $30 for 2 shadows. Maybe you would, but I wouldn't. Okay, moving right along. The next thing I'm pulling out is from Away, which is cruelty-free. This is the leave-in conditioner. I use this all the time. I have a full size of it. Really, really nice leave-in conditioner. I love the way their products smell. I will hold on to this. I think it's good for traveling. If you can ever travel again, I like having little small things like that for that purpose. The full size is $26, which I don't think I even paid that for the full size. I don't know where I got it from. I must have got it from a subscription box, but I definitely really love this leave-in conditioner. Okay, and we have one last item in our regular glam bag. Okay, so this is a blush from Shayna B. I think it's from a palette. I think I have this, or I gave it away or something, but this is in the shade Brickle. It is not a color I'm gonna swatch just because it has shimmer to it, and I don't particularly like blushes that have shimmer. So there's that. The shade is nice, but like I said, I just not into shimmer blushes personally. The full size is $29. Again, if that's a single blush, I don't know if I would pay that personally for a blush. Okay, so that's everything in the regular glam bag. Overall, this is the more adventurous profile. I don't really think it fits. The lipstick is pretty basic. The eyeshadow is very basic. The blush is a little adventurous just because it's got some shimmer in it. Mascara and a leave-in conditioner are just, you know, pretty basic. All right, so let's go ahead and open the Glambag Plus. Okay, so here's the bag for this one. Really, really cute. It's the same thing. It's just in the drawstring bag, which I really like these drawstring bags. I think they're very nice. Okay, again, we have the card, and this card does not have anything in it. So I will be researching the full-size values for you. I forgot to mention in the beginning of the video, you can pick, somebody corrected me how many, 3 items to be in your bag, but I just don't pick. I am really bad about it. I wanted to mention too, because this bag has something on the inside. It says confidence comes from within. That's really cute. Okay, let's just go up with the first thing. Okay, so this is from It Cosmetics, which is cruelty-free. This is the Heavenly Skin Smoothing Complexion Brush. You know, I've heard a lot of really good things about the brushes from It Cosmetics, which I don't know. I don't think I've ever owned a single brush from them. I have tried a couple of skin items from them. They're pretty good. It does come wrapped in this plastic tube, which... So I'm trying to like pare down my brush collection, but I kind of want to try this. It's very similar to the one I use currently. It's just smaller. So the one don't judge me, it's dirty, but the one I currently use is this one from Tarte. And it's kind of got the same effect where it's flat, but like angled a little bit. This has a longer handle, which I like. This one's kind of tiny. Also, it's like super soft on the skin. I'm definitely going to try that. I wish I could tell you the price, but I can't, so. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out is from Florence by Mills, which I've never tried anything from this brand. I think it's catered more to like teens and younger people than my old self. But this is a Built to Lash mascara. And I don't think there's a shade, but it's probably black. It does say cruelty-free, which is good. I was not sure. It's interesting. So here's the packaging. Oops, let me put it so you can see. But it's, can you see through the tube like I can? Like the mascara is like sunk to the bottom. Let's go ahead and take a look at the wand. Okay, so honestly, just looking at it, it's pretty basic wand. The formula does seem thick and not like super wet. I'll give it a try. I don't know. Mascaras that are really thick like that just tend to really clump on me, and like especially on this eye for some reason. My eyelashes are more sparse, so like there's like one section that just clumps no matter what. But yeah, I'll give it a go. Okay, let's pull out the next thing. This is from Complexion, which I believe is cruelty-free. I've only tried brushes from them. This is a Good Lighting Highlighter Duo, and it's a cream to powder. I like the packaging, very, very simple. I didn't even know they made makeup, so that's interesting. So the packaging is just like gray plastic, but then it's got like this metal, like mirrored sort of thing there. It's kind of nice. Apply to cheekbones, nose, cupid's bow, brow bones. Okay, so yes, it's definitely a highlighter. It says cream to powder though, and it looks more powder to me. Let's go ahead and feel it. I mean, it feels just like cream. Or, excuse me, it feels just like powder. I did not think this through. Let's go ahead and swatch it on my arm here, I guess. They're very, very similar. One is a little more frosty, this one right here. And then this one's like the gold color. I really like those though. I will definitely use those. Yeah, I don't think it's cream, so if that scares you like it does me, because I'm not into like liquid highlights, cream products except for like foundation, honestly. I'm just not adventurous enough to do like a cream blush or something like that. If that scares you, just that sound like it did me, that is not cream. It is definitely a powder. It's just a more buttery formula, but it's definitely not cream. Okay, let's pull out the next thing. This is from Half Caked, which is cruelty-free. This is the Totally Tubular Mascara. I've only ever tried the lip products from them, and we just got something from them last month, this month, in a BoxyCharm. There's that. Let's go ahead and see what this mascara looks like. Also in a purple tube. Okay, this definitely seems more up my alley. So it's definitely a wetter formula, and I love brushes like this that they're like silicone. They don't have like the bristles on them. They just have like little pokey silicone things. I definitely like that. This is a mascara I would reach for 9 times out of 10 over the Florence by Mills one. So definitely excited to get that. The shade is The Heights, which it's black. I don't know why they come up with shade names like that. I mean, I get why, but it's black. I have one last item in here. This is from Marmalade, which we got nails from them recently. Was it in an Ipsy too? No, it was in that Allure box, which I canceled the Allure box. These are square and they're white, which I like these ones so much better than the other ones I got. The other ones were like super, what were they called? Stiletto shaped, and I just can't function with that. Like, I work with my hands. I need something that is short and square. Whenever I wear press-on nails or any sort of fake nail, when I used to get them done at the salon, it was always short. So these are definitely really pretty. So here's, I mean, I don't know why I'm showing you this, but here's what it looks like. These are definitely very similar to the Impress nails if you've ever tried those. Like, they feel pretty identical. These do have a matte finish, which I like, but these are glue on, and I like the Impress ones because they just stick on and it stays, and they're pretty nice. But I will definitely try them. My nails are actually getting a little bit long right now, so I don't know if I want to put fake nails on right now. But yeah, got those. I don't know if that's the shape of the nails, but it's called Aria. So that's everything we got in both of our Ipsy bags. Overall, I actually think I prefer the Glambag Plus. I think it's definitely, I think, stuff I'm going to use. I'm going to use all of it. I believe I liked it all. Definitely feels like that one fits the profile a little bit better than the other one for sure. So yeah, it's a win for me, but I would love to know what you guys thought of this box, so make sure you guys let me know down in the comments if you liked either of these boxes slash bags. I guess they're bags now, they're not boxes. Which one you like better. If you get either of these subscriptions, let me know what you got in your bag. I always like to hear the different, variations of what people could have got in their bags, so make sure you let me know. And yeah, I think that's all I have for today. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, more dogs, just chilling, hit that subscribe button right down there, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.